How to make realistic flag blender. First add a cylinder, make it as a pole. Go to Edit tab and extrude and size them. Add a plane. Subdivide it, select the points and assign them a vertex group. Apply cloth in Physics tab. Enable self-collision and in shape, assign pin group as group. Add wind and place it. Apply subdivision, surface modifier and shade smooth the flag. In Shading tab, select the flag and add a flag pick from your gallery. If it does not apply properly, then resize it in UV editing. Apply texture to the pole also. Here you go. Thanks for watching.